twbiyu angang aina di pamthokchaba he ubudi ngamjade isi yade sapana
Ahammaktada the Mityeng podcast pu Mityeng tabiriba viewersingbu ahammaktada taramna oksari ngasi akoina sinjariba thamjariba program sing asi the Mityeng podcast production gi makhada children program haina mingthonjaba akoi angangsing sida lairiba talent moida haisingba talent han haiba tare moida lairiba haisingba mayam do koi promote tawbiba inspire tawbiba moigi career da henna mayek sengna moi chatkinabagi pandamda koi hariba program sing asi sinjabani maramasina guardian sing parents singna adom adongi isada lairiba talent skills haisingba mayam adubu koi puning thogat piba inspire tawbiningbagi wakalonda hariba program asida participate tawbininglagadi mathakta phone number pijarange hariba program sing asi Sunday numitki pung nipan dagina taraboki manungda koi hariba program sing asi weekly oina pangthokchagani adom adongi isa sing adom adongi piba angangsingbu haisingba talent du uthoknabagidamakta program sing asi yawba lakpiyu mayamgidamakta akoi ngaijarange.
Good morning everybody. My name is Yakombi. I read in class 2. My school name is Pantau English School. The title of my poem is Chigihi. Ima ima yenguse nung wawa churuse dada dada yenguse ising kana chelise ibani sana se chegihi tahal dada nang sabiyu aina haiba yabiyo hi taubi sana si jiri jiri jalan si. Thank you.
Good morning everybody.
Good morning everybody.
My name is
Nancy.
I
I'm baby.
The title of my poem. The title of my poem is
twbiyu angang aina di pamthokchaba he ubudi ngamjade isi yade sapana ngoba thaba angaba thaba posang na bithaba ai di oina pamthokchaba thank you. Good morning everybody. My name is Mayam. I in nursery. Title of my poem is Nungsa Oto Urume Majanga Pavigi Wana Lashimbalam Kovani Uni Zogini Tonga Bating Ting. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Mr. in class 2. The name of our school is Pantau English School. The title of my poem is Nung Lao Isay Nung O Juro Nugan Bitao Taro Lang Ding Aton Tukat Lo Paso Nura Bitao Taro Unang Pakang Kujaro Kogru Kogru No O Lo Jinoya No. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Tongting. I in nursery. The name of our school is Pantau English School. The title of
my poem.
The title of
The title of my poem. The title of my poem is
Nung chao thôi hồi ngay mà chẳng có hay bị con da hay chẳng bằng phô vấn huy này là cho con đi của ai bà ting ting. Thank you.
Good morning everybody.
Good morning everybody.
My name is
Sinh Khanh Ngàn Bi.
Ông có cái này không?
My name is Sinh Khanh Ngàn Bi.
I read
in KG.
The
name of our school English school.
Có. Ta hâu thì em bộ. हमका हाउ the name of our school हाउ
The name of our school
is
is
the Southern Valley
Southern Valley
Standard
English
School.
School.
The name
Name
of my
rhyme
is
is
Sotabim.
Sotabim.
Hiểu.
Aigi Sotabim Anilay Amana Sawi Amana Pi Aiga Maga Sanari Nangamaga Sanaro Sotabim Sotabim.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody. My name is Yaifabi. I read in class 4. The title of
The name of my school
the name of my school is Kairak Upper Primary English School.
The title of my poem
The title of my poem is Ima Manipur. Khurumjari Ima Manipur. Chingsang Rup Tholibi. Tureli Glass Siribi. Asang Fijo Leitengbi. Pantha Jarunga Thogalbi. Jarik Mapantaribi. Nongtrei Mau Linglibi. Manigumanga Nairibi. Malem Sana Fauribi. Bibi Thojan Palemo. Thank you. Good morning, everybody.
I
Giving Arshan Morangthem.
hujik
I was class 2 Kari.
I school maming di
I maming di the Southern Valley Standard English School kaui.
aina ngasi
teacher garui sareng maming si nong nau isai nong osuro hanuba hanubi tautharo nangjing maton thumatlo pason nurabi tautharo unam pakhang khunjaro karbu kongno nong o lojing lora nong o. Thank you.